Welcome to my channel, Torque Mythz. Today we're diving into one of the most aggressive, iconic, and thrilling muscle cars of modern times, the Mercedes G-Wagon AMG G63, in a bold, blacked-out finish. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more car reviews, performance insights, and full cinematic visuals. Let's get started. This isn't just a car. This is the alpha wolf of the streets, the kingpin of the SUV kingdom. This is the Mercedes AMG G63, born from military bloodlines, raised in luxury, and armed with power that humbles even the boldest of sports cars. The G63 isn't made to blend in. It's made to dominate. Underneath its squared, iconic armor lives a beast. A handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine pushing out 577 horsepower. 0 to 100 in just 4.5 seconds. Not bad for something that weighs like a tank and looks like a legend, but it's not just about brute force. It's about presence. Walk up to it. And the G63 doesn't whisper luxury, it growls it. From every angle, it demands attention. That bold front grille with the vertical AMG slats, the circular LED DRLs carved in classic G style, and those signature exposed door hinges. It's not trying to look modern. It's too busy being timeless. The side profile is unapologetically boxy and proudly so, and the rear? Twin exhausts peeking from the side, wide stance, full spare wheel mounted on the tailgate. A brutal reminder that this SUV isn't just for city streets. It's born ready. But the real experience begins the moment you pull open that heavy door. Inside, the G63 is where AMG goes all in. Diamond-stitched Napa leather, hand-finished carbon fiber trims, and that iconic flat-bottom AMG performance steering wheel. You don't sit in the G-Wagon. You step into a vault of speed and sophistication. Ambient lighting wraps the entire cabin in 64 shades of mood. The infotainment? Massive twin 12.3-inch screens, one for the dash and one for your command center. And the seats? They hug you like a fighter jet. Massaging, heated, ventilated. This isn't luxury. This is a rolling VIP lounge with missile-grade power. Now let's talk about what really matters to G-Wagon lovers, the engine. This AMG-tuned V8 isn't just powerful, it's aggressive. With 850 Nm of torque and AMG ride control suspension, the G63 turns curves into playthings. The 9-speed AMG speed shift keeps it brutally responsive. And when you switch to Sport Plus mode, the exhaust roars like thunder in a canyon. Top speed? 220 km/h, limited. But the way it gets there is ruthless. And here's the thing, the G63 isn't meant for the racetrack. It's meant to make an entrance, to roll down boulevards with a snarl, to let the world know the boss just arrived. But there's one more thing that sets it apart. More than the speed, more than the power. It's the look, the stance, the road, presence, the silhouette that hasn't bowed to trends for decades. It's part luxury, part legacy, and fully savage. It doesn't care if the world goes electric. It doesn't care if SUVs get curvy. The AMG G63 was never made to follow. It was made to rule. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and drop a comment below. What do you want us to review next? The Hellcat, the Charger EV, or something completely wild? Don't forget to subscribe to Torque Mythz for more high-octane content, cinematic visuals, and honest car reviews. Until next time, stay fast, stay loud.